morning, Saints. Today is Tuesday, March 26th. We're coming live from the broadcast room.
This Saturday at 6 o'clock will be the last time anyone can see the Saint Stations and Swingin' Saints perform their competition shows from last year. If you missed them this year, now's your chance to see them.
It's $5 at the door to get in, and all proceeds will go to Thirst Project to give clean water to areas of the world that have no access to clean water.
Come and enjoy some great show choir music from the Saint Stations, Swingin' Saints, and Atchison Adrenaline from Atchison High School.
Baseball Spirit Wear orders are due Friday, March 29th by 1 in the Spirit Shop. See Mrs. Price for information or to get an order form.
There will be a Model UN meeting tomorrow right after school in Mrs. Ingham's classroom.
Another quick reminder that if you're considering donating your hair during the Wigs Out Assembly this year, please go to stasaints.net/wigsout to sign up and get information.
The Wigs Out Assembly will be April 12th at 1:45 in the gym. People donating are required to cut 8 inches of hair or more. Be sure to get signed up if you plan on donating.
Upcoming college visits are March 27th at 8, Simmons College, Thursday at 1, Mid-America Nazarene University. Sign up on Navion Student to visit colleges. Late registration deadline for the April ACT is today.
There will be a Teens for Life meeting today at 10:30 a.m. in room 206 to discuss upcoming events for the semester and to get ready for the Walk for Life. We will also be discussing the upcoming movie Unplanned. As always, treats and gift card drawings will be happening for those who have participated in Teens for Life events this year. Hope to see you there.
Another reminder that prom is April 6th at Uptown Theater. Prom tickets are on sale right now. The cost is $65 per couple. Tickets can be purchased on the STA website under the Students drop-down menu.
Online sales will end on Wednesday, April 3rd at midnight. Tickets may also be purchased in room 201 after school, only with cash or check made out to STA.
Girls soccer opened up the Bob Durig Mocan tournament with a 3-0 Taylor James Libby Terranova shutout of Lee Summit North. Senior Veronica Carroll, junior Gabby Weinreich, and sophomore Trinity Kemp scored for the Saints.
The Saints are back in action in the semifinals tomorrow at 5:30 against number 30 in the country, Scion.
Your student council is excited to announce the call for candidates for all executive council positions for the 2019-2020 school year. Any future junior or senior wishing to run for the executive council should attend the candidates meeting on Monday, April 1st at 7:30 a.m. in room 228. See Mr. Hammonds if you have any questions.
If you are on the Saints track and field team, today is picture day. You are expected to be ready to go in uniform by 3:30 and have another change of clothes to practice in.
Finally, time for the fun fact of the day. Did you know that there's an animal that actually smells like popcorn? It's called a binturong, and it originates in Southeastern Asia.
Wow, I had no idea. Last but not least, remember to check out Halo on social media, where you can find any announcements you may have missed. I'm Katie.
I'm Greta.
And I'm Amy.
Signing off. And remember,
stay classy, Saints.
And be the one.